What's happening, kinfolk? Welcome back to the channel, Knuckles TV. Knuckles coming at you. Today, man, we are going to go ahead and order a custom vest from First MFG Co. And I'm going to take you along with me. Let's go. Alright, kinfolk. So what we're doing today, man, like I said, is we are going to actually go on the website of First MFG Co., which is firstmfg.com. And what we're going to do today is we're going to order a custom vest. So I already have a vest from from First MFG Co. And right here, I got the rough neck, which is a raw denim vest. Absolutely love it, man. But this video here is going to be about ordering a custom vest. So through First MFG Co. you can order a custom vest to where you can customize the thread color. You can customize the pattern up top, leather, denim, canvas vest they all have. You can also customize the inner liners, which I think is really dope. So that's what we're going to do today, man. So this video here is brought to you by First MFG Co. So let's go ahead and jump to the computer, and I'll show you how easy it is, because you know your boy's not very tech savvy, right? But with the website that they have, man, you can actually go on and it's super easy. It gives you step by step. So this is going to be a great little tutorial on how to go ahead and order a custom vest if you're interested in custom vests. And also, man, go give them a follow, First MFG Co. on Instagram, and then First MFG Custom on Instagram as well. So let's go ahead and jump to the computer. Alright, kinfolk, so before we get looking at the actual computer screen, I just want to let you know about First MFG Co. Man, they have a bunch of great products out. They've got gloves, vests, they've also got some riding shirts, man. So if, like I said, go check them out, give them a follow, let them know Knuckles sent you, man. And also their link will be down below to where you can go straight to the custom vest page. So if you want to check that out, you can do that. And they've also got some great pictures of custom vests that have already been done, so you kind of get an idea of what you can do, right? So great company, man. They have a bunch of different options you can go with, so it's really cool. You can really get creative whenever you go on their website to be able to do this this custom vest that you're thinking about doing. So let's go ahead and jump to the pooter screen, and we'll get started. So like I said, you want to go to firstmfg.com. You will find the custom vest link, little tab. You hit custom vest builder, and it will pull up your custom vest building page. Okay, so once you got to that section there, they actually have a size chart as well, which is really cool. They will show you the sizes and give you a recommendation of what size vest you should get. And they also go all the way up to an 8X, which is really cool, man. So they've got something out there for everyone. So and then you get to go ahead and choose your different material, or the style, I'm sorry. So you have different styles here that you can go with. They also have a women's club style, so we're going to actually choose the club style. And then below that, you get to choose your collar option. You have the 1-inch or the roll-up collar. We're going to go with the roll-up collar. Alright, as you can see here, you have different options you can choose of the construction, what the material that they have. And so what we're actually going to choose is the black cow diamond leather. So that's our choice there. Then you select your size, which I went with the 2XL because that's what my vest that I have now is, and I know it fits good. You can choose your stitch type. We're going with a single color, and we're going to go with white. And then they have different colors you can choose. Then you also have your inner liner layout. So on that section there, what you can do, kinfolk, is you can actually choose prints that they already have, right? You got a bandana back panel, you got a bandana 3 panel, you got flag / camo on the back panel and 3 panel, your color back panel, and then a color 3 panel. We're gonna go, the cool thing is also you can actually send them a custom picture, right? Picture that you want to put on the vest, the inner liner itself. So that's what we're gonna actually do on the back panel. But so we're gonna choose your custom 3 panels. So then you describe your custom artwork. If you have custom artwork there, you just let them know how you want the artwork in your vest, and then from there that's where you're gonna upload your custom artwork on the next little box there. You choose your file. We're gonna choose our file here, and once we choose the file, we go ahead and enter it into the box, and there you go. They have the file of the artwork that I have sent them, so they'll be able to use that on my vest. And so that's different options you can do, right? So you can do that, or you can choose all 3 panels to be one big custom piece, right? So really cool. All right, and now you can choose extra customization. You can choose the quilted diamond texture. You can add a side lace. You can add leather inside the pockets. You can remove the cell phone pocket. They have an inner cell phone pocket, and we're gonna actually remove that because I don't want that in there. And then you can also remove the first label, but I'm gonna leave that because I'm gonna represent who made my custom vest, man. Just be super proud of it. And then you can remove all the pockets to where you can be pocketless on your vest. You can also add braided colored leather, and you can do the bottom perforation. So the bottom of your vest can actually be perforated if that's what you choose, but we're choosing an all leather vest just because it's going to be my winter vest. So that's what we're going with. In this section here, you enter your measurements. We're just going to put the 2XL for the simple fact that like I said, I already know what size I need because I've got a vest from them already, and so the 2XL fits perfect. And then with the leather vest, man, we're gonna make sure we have enough room in there because we will also be having to wear a leather jacket, so we want enough room to where we can still put the vest on top of it. So we're going with the 2XL. But if you're not quite sure, man, go ahead and choose the size back up top where you chose the size at, and then still put your measurements just so they can make sure that you're getting the right size vest for yourself. It's really easy, self-explanatory, kinfolk. They've done a great job on this website. It is really cool. So then once you get to that part, you will add it to your cart, and then once you go to add cart, you will also, from there, you'll go over your order. They will give you a breakdown of everything that you selected. They will show you what size you selected, the colors, all that stuff that you have done. You have a chance to edit it there if you like to, or if you didn't add something that you wanted, and then go on to checkout. So then once you go to checkout, that'll finish your process, man. Of course, we're not going to go that far because it'll have my information, but once you do that, you go to checkout. That's basically all you'll be done. You'll enter all your information there, your shipping information, your payment information, and then that's it, kinfolk. And then within I believe it's 4 to 6 weeks, you'll get your custom vest. This vest here, man, is a vest from First MFG Co, and I'm super happy with it. I haven't had any problems with it. Of course, once I get my vest in, we'll do an unboxing. We'll go ahead and go over the whole vest to let you know exactly how it came out, and I'll give y'all a little peek at it. So super stoked about it, man. Like I said, go give First MFG Co a follow on Instagram, Facebook as well. They have First MFG Co, and then they also have First MFG Custom. So make sure you give both of them pages a follow. Let them know Knuckles sent you. The links down below, man, will be a link straight to the custom vest page, and that way you can go straight there and start your building of your custom vest. Let them know Knuckles sent you. I appreciate you watching. Stay tuned for the video of the unboxing of the custom vest when it comes in, and we'll see you on the next one. So much love, much respect. Knuckles out.